everybody. Today I'm thinking about doing a open cup pour with a black background. The whole idea of this is to get your colors to float underneath the background color and then pop up in cells. So what I've done is I've cut the top off of a cup. I have some black mixed up. It's a medium consistency. It's making a little bit of a mound. It's not lasting very long. And I took just a tiny bit, this might be a ½ ounce of each color. I have a quinacridone magenta. I have an ultramarine blue. I have a neon orange. And I have, this is a self-mixed bright green. These are all mixed. 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol. This is the orange is a craft paint, so this is a 1-to-1 mixture. The black is about 1½ parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. And I'm going to put just a drop of silicone. This is my Spot On Treadmill silicone. Try to put just a drop in each one of my colors because there's so little of it. There we go. Let me stir them up nicely. My sticks over here because they get in the way. It's a nice stir. I don't want blobs of silicone in there, so I'm giving them a good stir. That one seems a little thick, so I'm going to put a drop of water in it. Okay, let's hope this works. Let's move our colors out of the way. I am going to put that off to the side. I'm going to take a few stir sticks and put them underneath my push pin that's there, because I want it to flow down this way. And what I'm going to do take my black and I'm going to put some inside the cup and then some outside the cup. Okay. Make sure that I get a good connection there. And I'm going to start out a little bit of this neon orange. Some of the magenta, which still seems a little bit thick. Going with the green. I know these are a little bit strange colors, but I think they're going to turn out really nice. And the ultramarine blue. Add a little black to get it moving. Okay, that ring is nice and full now. Just going to make sure my glove doesn't get in the way. And lift this a tiny bit and let it flow underneath. back around. Doesn't seem to be moving yet. So I'll go back around with my colors. You can see them coming out just a tiny bit right there with the orange. There, I see them moving now. Save just a little bit of each color. Give it a torch so that the silicone can come up through. I'm kind of let it do its thing. Some more black down. Oh, those are coming through really neat. Slide this back just a little bit. I want to be able to have it close to the edge so that I can sweep it right off. Like that. Look at those colors. That's pretty amazing. Okay, I'm just going to move these out of the way a little bit here. Move this around. And see what we can make of it. Oh, there's some cells in here that are amazing. Look at that in the middle with the blue and the green surrounding each other. It's so cool. Okay. Let's give this a bit of a tilt. Don't want to tilt it too fast because I want my cells to have a nice shape. Let's see here. I'm going to bring it down to that corner a little bit. Back to the center. The orange must have been a little bit thinner because it's kind of, it's moving at a different pace. It's not holding cells. Nice and round. So I'm just going to tilt this slowly. Try and get my canvas covered without the colors rolling over too much. Back to the center, and then I'll bring it down this way. Not really happy with the way the orange is moving. But maybe we can still make a pretty painting out of it. Get back to the center. I really like those cells with the blue in the center. That's really cool. So I'll try and hang on to those. Walk it down this way a bit. rolling over, but check that out right there. That's really neat. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit more black on here. Let's see what I can get out of my cup. Quite a bit in there, it's just clinging to the sides. Take my palette knife and just kind of move this up. Meet that there. Meet that there. Over to the sides. Might have to steal a little bit of it from here, which is okay. Some of that over on this side. And do a little more stretching. Bring it all the way down to this corner till it just crests the corner. And then I'm going to bring it back. Slowly stretch it down. I think I could have used a little bit more black for this, but I'll make it work. Just over that corner. I'm going to bring the weight of my paint back to the center. This is just crazy looking. I love it. I'll walk it down a little bit. See if I can cover that corner over there. Just a little bit. Okay. Change the position of my hands a little bit here. I'm going to bring that paint down again. Kind of want to leave a little bit of negative space here because that looked pretty cool around the edges. We'll see if we can get this corner to come down this way a little bit. A little bit of help here. Kind of want those lines to stay a little straighter there. I don't want them to bend down so much. So I'm going to bring it back. Sorry about the glare there. I didn't realize how much glare was sitting there. I'll bring it this way. tilt it towards myself, that way you're not seeing so much glare. It's hard to get your lighting in exactly the right place. You're working with something that's shiny. Okay, get that down. Get rid of some of that orange. Sorry, I know you can't see that because I have it tilted all the way up. Oh, I love it. Look at the wispies up here. They're so neat. Okay, clean my hands up a little bit. Black paint. Always feels like it clings more than anything else. But this is pretty cool looking. I love this right here. The way it's wisping out. I don't even know what this looks like, but it's amazing. Oh, I know what it looks like. It looks like abstract art. Isn't that what we're supposed to be doing when we're paint pouring? Oh, check it out. I'm going to give it a torch, see if anything else comes up, if there's any more silicone that wants to come up through. Don't want to get too close. Just want to warm it up a bit. Encourage that silicone to come up. So let me give you a close-up. There are some really cool things going on in here. It almost looks like a turtle right here. Bring it up so you can see. Look at all those little wispies. It's so neat. The way the magenta and the orange are kind of wisping off. I love it. There's that little green and blue turtle in the center, or off center. Some of the orange down here. And the magenta going off. It's pretty cool. Let me know what you think, guys. Thanks for coming and visiting with me today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. That helps me out. Thanks again. Bye.